Hoi. Hoe is het? Hoe is het?
Hoe het is?
Hoe is het?
Goed.
Goed.
Jullie zijn Nederlands.
Een beetje, ja. Ik ben leren. I'm learning.
Oh, you're learning.
Yeah.
You're English originally.
Yeah.
Okay.
American. What's your name?
William.
I'm Kai.
Kai.
Nice to meet you.
Wat ben Nederlander? Ik ben de Nederlander.
Ja,
dat is een Amerikaan.
Ja,
En dat zijn nog twee Amerikanen. Zo. Oké. Ja, het is een reeksmonument, onder andere. Ja. Dat is wat is de keuken. Doe de deur maar dicht. Close the door.
Oh.
Ah, hier
Doe
is
de
het
deur.
Er ligt wel 5 kilometer bij de Giethoorn. Ja. Maar dit is Giethoorn. Ja, wij komen hier. Ja. Ja, wij wonen ook in een...
En de wifi.
Wachtwoord.
Oh. In Amerika, oké.
Ja.
Nee.
Yeah.
You want to go get the boat with me?
Yeah. Go get the boat. Pretty sweet boat.
En dan?
En ook naar Giethoorn om boodschappen te doen. Maar ja, dat doen we later.
Dat doet u later.
Ja.
Nou dan,
En je
ik zal even een
richtingsverkeer.
pen pakken hoor.
Okay. So this is one way going in
Okay.
these things.
Okay,
Robin's asking how long it takes.
just so we know
Yeah.
roughly how long from here to Block Saal.
Zo handig om echt in die zwallengraf neer te leggen. Ja? Ja, ja. Nou ja, dan hoor je klik.
Ja. Oké.
Daaronder zit de schroef.
Yes.
Ja. You stay here?
We have a
Just draait nog hè? Ja. Nou, u heeft...
Are we already going?
Well, you gotta start it. Is it on?
There we
Oh,
go.
yeah.
Your
Ja,
stir.
Oh,
even
shit.
naar achter hoor, met gas. Ja. Hou de hendel maar mee. En dan een beetje straight.
The boat.
I know it's a little crazy seeing this boat all of a sudden.
Spiders. Lekker biertje? You can.
The thing is, if we go real, there's water coming in here. No, I'm just kidding. Can you hold on to the side then, guys?
Yeah.
Come this way a little more.
Okay.
I got it. I'm holding on to it. Bringing
Hold on
us.
to it, guys.
You
My
know.
back is sticking out. Oh shit! Now we're making.
I got it.
Kai, you... Easy does it, guys. Okay, let me line it up. Not Kai. Can you push it away from the shore?
When do we turn left?
I think we go forward more and then we take left.
This is a
What
big
if this
one.
is the left?
This is the left, I think.
I don't know. What was that noise?
Another boat.
Turtle. Start turning left like now.
You sure that's the left? It's very narrow. Don't go through the bottom, Lily. Holy shit, there's...
Alright, so now we're just coming out.
Sweet water. Let me drive the boat.
Okay, you ready, Kai? Yeah. Now this thing doesn't... Oh, your camera is really in a predicament spot there. But it is cute that they have not bad.
Well, how long did it take us? Because we're here now.
So you can get it. Maybe you can get out here.
Yeah, but
That's-
the other side.
Well, maybe we can park right here on the right, though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
maybe. Now you have to go back.
There's a
So,
key there.
oh, hold on.
Yeah, but then we're
It's
No,
you're gonna get
I'm not gonna get worried about it. Beer brewer. Holy shit, look at this coming through.
They're behind.
Unbelievable, huh?
Yeah. There is a cat just chilling.
Is a war crime. Legalize nuclear bombs.